Okay, this is ready for removing now. Det blir måste... Little locked up. That went very well. Huh. Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Dave Steele and we are currently in the western part of Finland. Actually, I'm Swedish speaking and I'm here at my small workshop in our small farmstead. And let's go inside. So I'm doing small renovation work on this Ford tractor here. And as you saw in the previous video, I changed the axle seal in this rear wheel here. And yeah, but let's start off the video by taking off the right rear wheel and go on with the project. Rack wheel bearing rack blurber. Yo. Okay, so here we have it on the floor. So this is a little bit different from the other side. Tasauspyörästyn lukko, the differential lock mechanism, this one here. So that pushes on, and we have a little sludge here, but not so much. And from here you can see, so here's the differential that we had out from the other side. And yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. Just to punch loose the stuff and change it out and reassemble the whole thing. I won't show it on the camera, it's so boring. Okay, I have the axle here and the new seal on, and the bearing is in place. And this bearing will reuse also. So one guy did comment about this outer ring of the bearing, that it is not shiny anymore. And yes, indeed, it's not shiny, but you cannot feel any groove here with your nail. So this is good enough and will hold for 10, 20 years, 30 years. It depends how much you drive on roads, but this tractor is mainly used here on the small farm, driving in uh, fifth gear, and it has 8 gears. So that means that the shaft is spinning really slow. You know, when you have a big wheel, the center of the big wheel, it's just spinning like this when driving. Yeah, so this will hold for sure. You want to always make sure to have enough oil so the oil will reach up to the trumpet and here. And here you can also see a edge where the oil is meant to be like so it not drain itself, so it will stay here. Yeah. Okay guys, I got that done yesterday, and now it's time for the lifting arms and the other stuff. I will also try to change O-rings in these quick couplers. It has been leaking a little. Okay, now I'm back from where I started, and I took off this light here, and as you see it's rotten through, so I will make a new bracket or holder for this of 2mm sheet metal. So yeah, and then I will put these on. I have had these already for 2 years on the shelf, so I'm happy to get this done now. And as you see, this also rotted through, so just make new brackets here. Yeah, so here you see the old setup, the rusted through metal. And now I have made these and going to bend it. Yeah. Okay, now I'm done with these. Let's weld them on the cab and install the lights. And yeah, we'll also put some paint on them. Yep. No. Yo, yo. primer. Guys, I have new belts to my combine here. So I need to put them somewhere. Yeah, I have some firewood here. And here's a barrel of sand. Blasting sand. And my combine. And here's my blasting equipment. So the blasting bottle, it's built of a propane bottle. As you see, shell. Then I have a water separator here, and there's the claw coupling for the inlet air. And from here I have the nozzle when blasting, and this is for if you wanna blast with a normal compressor. And here, this valve, you can adjust the air flow, and here you adjust the sand. So I will show you the compressor. This is basically built of scrap and not any design here. As you see, it's a frame with two car wheels, and you have the 3-point hitch, so you can put it on the 3-point on tractor. And also I have a car hitch here, so I can pull it behind the car. And we can start from here. So basically you put the tractor here and the shaft, PTO shaft. That gearbox is taken of a grass chopper, farming equipment, and then it goes to that shaft. And this guy, this is a feed elevator or a grass elevator, if you name it, with some bearings there, and the big belt that goes to that pulley. And there's the compressor. I will go the other side and look here. Yeah, as you see, I have a roof on it, so it won't be down snowed. Yeah, so the bigger pulley, the smaller pulley, this is from a class baler, I think. Yeah. And yeah, this compressor had an electric motor on it before, but not anymore. It's better to have it like this. So always when doing sandblasting, I have a inverter. So I take 12 volt from the tractor and put it in here in this coil valve. That needs 230 volts. So I take the inverter and then hook this to that. Then the valve works like it will bypass the flow. Oh, so it's a Atlas Copco Eyelet LE11. Yeah, and this tank is from a truck, I think. Yeah, and I have some valves, and there's a gauge also. You can see the pressure. Yeah, so basically this is my blasting equipment. That one and the clock, the kello in suomeksi. So I will be blasting the chain mulcher soon. So yeah, but I'm so stressed when blasting, so I won't show you much details. You gotta stay focused and focus on the work, not on the filming. So yes, they came out really great. I think I just want to wait a little before installing the lights. It's not dry yet, so from one project to another, I'm planning to start to build that front board here now with the hydraulic cylinder to the chain mulcher. And I don't know what to include in this video. It becomes like so much different kind of projects. But I have another project here also as well. I'm trying to put that on the wall. I want to have it there somewhere. And I had this scrapped one, trying to find the fittings that will fit on this quick coupling. So I think that is 3/8 and British standard. So I will try to put that on, and then I have to release that nut to get the bracket on the wall and then install the roller. No. Happy days. So and then we have here redneck solution. Okay guys, I'm trying to figure out the correct connections here, and I think I have it now. The yellow one is blinking as it should. Yeah. So I will try to install them in this 30 blow. Okay guys, here we are. Here we are. I'm done with this now. I think it came out really great. Yeah. That'll do. And this also. Yes, much better than before. I will see if I will do something about this in this video also. They have seen better days. And now it looks like this. So, yeah.